Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Jace, and I'll be taking you on some adventures along with my dog Sativa. If you love nature, then come join us. We'll be doing some camping, cooking, fishing, and boondocking amongst other things. Because taking some time for your physical and mental health should always be a priority before it's no longer an option. And remember to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to explore together.
So what's up with the camera real quick?
Yo, they got one of my favorite movies here, but why is this me every time I gotta come back? We're headed to Chiapas, Mexico, but I do have a one complete day layover here in Mexico City. It was a little bit tougher than I thought getting here. My passport turned out to be expired and I couldn't get through that station, so I had to pay a taxi to personally drive me across the border. And I guess we'll figure it out on the way back. Fresh out the airport, and just decided to grab some street tacos because, you know, literally where they come from.
Cosa?
Mira la chela. Y la Merced también la encuentro.
We're on the way to the hotel now. You can see my sister up ahead here. And we will be staying at Hotel Ritz. It just has a good reputation, good ratings and all that. So if you guys are considering, maybe consider this one. Hotel Ritz.
Yeah.
No puedes ni ver así.
Es la calle más bonita que he visto de las que pasamos.
Oh, sí. Sí, es así. Ay, para allá está bien bonito. Lo que pasa es que allá la gente no cuida, en vez de, fíjate, están robando el cable.
Sí, bien así, o sea, no es sinvergüenza.
Push. You know how to read? Listen.
Permítame.
No, gracias.
Por favor, adelante. Pase usted. Adelante. Vamos a ir al primer piso, por favor. Enseguida les alcanzo con su equipaje. Van a ir al primer piso saliendo y de frente está el otro.
Why does this lighting say party while the atmosphere says go to sleep? Good morning, everyone. First day layover here in Mexico City. We're gonna go walk around the city for a little bit, and I believe if we head down, not this way, but in this other direction, right over here, we'll be able to get to what they call El Zócalo, which is basically where they do like an annual scream for freedom and justice and all that. It's a huge deal here. Definitely one of the events you would want to check out. Unfortunately, we're nowhere near the actual date where they do that. Basically, it's held at the Capitol, and blocks on blocks on blocks of people are just here for the first of all the parade, and secondly the overall atmosphere. I've been told it's a euphoric thing to just be amongst everyone feeling the pride. Representatives come from all around the world too.
No siento.
I absolutely love this kind of architecture. The main city here everywhere I look, it seems like there's tons of Gothic architecture. Let me look at that. Just so much attention to detail. I absolutely hate, but also love, the minimalism of today's world. So this is El Zócalo. This is where the big thing happens, the whole shebang. This entire street, that plaza to my right, everything will be absolutely packed, shoulder to shoulder, of everyone just screaming on cue, synchronized, about freedom and pride and all these other things.
Yeah, these streets look hella more menacing at night.
We're here at El Palacio de Bellas Artes.
Sí, va para allá. ¿Pero si ves que voy a esto? Banco de México.
Oh, you a baddie, huh?
So, as far as I know, here in the Palacio de Bellas Artes is the home of some of the greatest art known here around Mexico, hosts some of the most prominent artists, and I believe it's also a museum of the finest architecture. I mean, the architecture of the building itself is absolutely stunning. Even this post office, look at this. We couldn't get inside because it's closed. It's just open railing, but it's absolutely gorgeous inside. Look at this. Let me focus. I keep seeing these people everywhere we go. They're filming a novela.
Adult life.
So I believe this is, as you could see from this poster, a Leonardo da Vinci art gallery type thing. Unfortunately, we won't be able to get in here today, but I could definitely admire this building. Look at this. It's ridiculous. We will, however, be having breakfast across the street. We're here at Casa de Azulejos, which translates to the House of Tiles.
Gracias, igualmente.
A little history about this house. It is an 18th century palace here in Mexico City. It was built by Count del Valle.
Cachito así para que cualquier cosa que
También,
sí, sí, poner un ganchito por allí. También por si te cae.
Look at this. Hungry already, but let's go check out this balcony. So across the street here, you can see that place I was at earlier where they're having the Da Vinci Art Gallery. We have a little gift shop area here. This place is absolutely enormous. Elevator and buffet area. And of course, the dining area. Well, one of several dining areas here. Remember, this was a palace at one point. Bone apple teeth. So now we're just getting ready to leave. Gonna pack up and see you in a minute.
We're just leaving the hotel, getting ready to go to the airport right now.
Had to stop for some racks here at the airport. And now we make our way towards the main attraction and head over to Chiapas, Mexico. I'm absolutely stoked. If you notice, the design here is a quetzal, which is very well known here and associated with indigenous tribes. Absolutely amazing. Definitely one of the best trains or metro designs I've seen, just because it so cohesively goes with the theme of it. I mean, it's a giant serpent. Starting to get a little worried because we are running just a bit late. Oh shit, they're calling our names. Definitely the last one to board here. Gotta make sure not to do that again. So I think this is where I'm gonna end the first episode or video of this trip. Thanks for joining me on this layover. Make sure and come back for the main adventure here. I'm sure it's gonna be tons of fun. Got a lot of great things planned.
Huh?
And you know, maybe you can use these as a jumping off point and take your own adventure. Don't miss out.
You got me